Okay, hello and good day everyone. No? So today we will discuss naman na yung next theorem which is all about theorem 1.3 of the parallelogram. Now, for theorem 1.3, it states that if the quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then both pairs of opposite angles of a quadrilateral are congruent. Okay? Example here. Sinasabi dito sa theorem 1.3 na kung yung quadrilateral dahil sa parallelogram, then yung pairs of opposite angles naman niya are congruent, no? This time angles ang pag-uusapan natin, ha? Opposite angles. Now, here in parallelogram ABCD, the opposite angles here are angle A and angle C, no? So based in this theorem, no, since they are opposite angles, therefore angle A and angle C are congruent. Okay, another pair of opposite angles is that here, angle B and angle D, no? They are opposite and also they are congruent. Okay, yan. So may mga congruency symbol tayo. Now, example here. If measure of angle A here is 105 degrees, what is measure of angle C? Okay? Since they are opposite angles, therefore, no? Angle and angle C are opposite angles, therefore they are congruent, no? If they are congruent, then they are equal. Okay, if your measure of angle A is 105 degrees, we have here 105 degrees equal to your measure of angle C. Okay, so parehas lang, 105 degrees din yung measure of angle C natin. Following this theorem. Next, if measure of angle B is equal to 6x plus 9 and measure of angle D is equal to 81, what is measure of angle B? Okay. Now, angle B and angle D are opposite angles here based on this figure. No? Substitute your angle B to, they are opposite angles, they are congruent, and they are equal. Now, substitute your measure of angle B to 6x plus 9, your angle D to 81. In case na di nyo nakikita, 81 yung value ng measure of angle D dyan. Here, 81. And then transpose 9 to the other side, then we have 6x is equal to 81 minus 9. 81 minus 9 is equal to 72. Then divide both sides by 6, cancel this out, we have x is equal to 72 divided by 6 is equal to 12. No? So kung 12 na yung x, then your measure of angle B here equal to 6x plus 9. Substitute your x to 12. Then we have 6 times 12 plus 9. 6 times 12 is equal to 72 plus 9 is equal to 81. That is your measure of angle B. See? Measure of angle D is 81. Parehas lang sila. Because they are congruent. Okay? How about this one? If measure of angle A is equal to y plus 9 degrees and measure of angle C to is equal to 2y minus 84 degrees, what is the measure of angle A and angle C? Okay? Now, angle A and angle D, anong relationship? They are opposite angles. Now, if they are opposite angles, therefore they are congruent, and if they are congruent, they are equal. Now, substitute your measure of angle A to y plus 9 degrees, your measure of angle C to 2y minus 84. No? Remove muna natin yung degree signs so that we can find the value of y. Then transpose 2y to the other side. We have y minus 2y equal to negative 84. Transpose 9 to the other side. We have negative 9. Y minus negative 2y is negative y equal to negative 84 minus 9 is negative 93. Then, multiply both sides by negative 1. Then we have y equal to negative 93 times negative 1 is 93. Okay? Now, we are going to find now the measure of angle A and angle C. So start tayo for measure of angle A here. Substitute your y to 93 plus 9. Then we have 93 plus 9 is equal to 102 degrees. Okay? Then for measure of angle A and measure of angle C, no? Since measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle C, substitute your A to 102 degrees, then your measure of angle C is 102 degrees also. Okay? So no need to solve kasi ganun din. No? Kung itong gagamitin natin, no? To substitute your y 93, 2 times 93, that would be equal to 186 minus 84 is equal to 102 degrees pa rin. Okay? Again, shortcut method to. Okay? Let us have an example. Given the parallelogram ABCD, find the following, no? Find X, find the measure of angle B, find the measure of angle D. Now, here, given, no? AX plus 6 degrees, then your angle D is 10x minus 12 degrees. Angle B and angle D, they are congruent, no? And if they are congruent, they are equal because they are opposite angles according to the theorem 1.3 in parallelogram, that the opposite angles are congruent. Now, substitute your B to 8x plus 6 degrees and then your D to 10x minus 12 degrees. Then remove the degree signs, no? And then transpose 10x to the other side. We have 8x minus 10x equal to negative 12. Transpose 6 to the other side. We have negative 6 here. 8x minus 10x is equal to negative 2x. Negative 12 minus 6 is negative 18. Then divide both sides by negative 2. Cancel this out. Then we have x is equal to negative 18 divided by negative 2 is 9. So your x is 9. Okay. Next. Measure of angle B is equal to 8x plus 6 degrees. No? Substitute your x to 9. So 8 times 9, we have 72 plus 6. That would be equal to 78. Okay. What about for measure of angle D? Okay. Measure of angle B is congruent to measure of angle D. No? Since your measure of angle B is 78, therefore, your measure of angle D is 78 also. Okay. So that's it. Thank you for listening. And again, do not forget to answer your exercises. Okay. That's all. Goodbye and God bless.